This is how I love my Americano.
What?
This is 1 tablespoon. Then, yan. Para to sa ubo. Plema. It's for your plema. So, are you ready?
No.
You need to look up. Oh my god. Okay. That's full. Spoonful. Okay. Look up. Be careful.
Give me. Bottoms up.
Good job. You're a good boy.